Hello learners. Today we will make social media post design. The first thing you should do is to have an idea of what you want to make, so that you don't waste your time. I have arranged all the shape elements together for ease of work. Watch carefully step by step. In the beginning, I created a shape similar to the artboard and pre-selected a gradient color. After that, I make a ruler, inside which I will decorate all the elements of the design. I have made those elements before, so that this video doesn't get too longer. Use high-quality images and graphics. Ensure they are relevant to your message and engaging. Logo. Include your brand's logo in a non-intrusive manner. Create a catchy headline that grabs attention. Let me tell you something. If you want to design social media post design, you need to follow some steps. Step 1. Define your goal. Step 2. Choose the platform. Step 3. Develop the concept. Step 4. Create the visuals. Step 5. Design elements. Let me know if you need similar videos and more details videos. It's not so easy to learn graphic design. It's all about your practice. Nobody born with creativity, but practice can make you creative. So you have to be visual thinker. Don't be hurry. Trust yourself and our merciful Creator. Body text. Keep it concise and to the point. Highlight key information. Call to action. Include a clear call to action. As example, learn more, shop now, book now. Here I make same shape as artboard and background. Then I selected the whole design and right-click. Then select clipping mask. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Check out these videos for more great content. See you in the next video.